Hi everyone, this is Olaolumoronkola from Lamp Media Touch. Today I want to show you how to use align and distribute feature in CorelDraw. This feature allows you to precisely position all your objects and space them on your workspace. You can align your object with each other, you can align your object with page, or you can align your object to a particular space or point. You can also distribute object evenly, horizontally or vertically using this feature. Now let's get started. So in order to demonstrate this for you, let's have some objects drawn onto our workspace. So let me draw a square and let me type a text in order to do this. So if I want to make use of alignment, I can align a single object to any part of my workspace. But if I am trying to align one object with the other, I will have to select two objects. So in order to have access to this align and distribute feature, you have to look out for it under the Dockers here. Now this is align and distribute Docker panel. So these are the buttons for the align, and these are the buttons for distribute. So now let's go over them one by one. If on your home CorelDraw software you opened and you are unable to have access to this Docker here, you can simply go to Window, then Dockers, then look out for align and distribute. And you want to go through the shortcut, you can just press Ctrl+Shift+A. It will bring up the align and distribute feature. If I want to align just this object to a particular position or a page, so I can just use all these other options here. You can see align to. So it means that I'm trying to align this object onto a particular position. So the first option here available is align the selected object to another object. It means that when I click on this first object, I will hold down my shift and click on the second object. So and I will ensure that this option is activated. So at the instance of you opening your CorelDraw for the first time, this is the one that will first activated for you. It's rare that this one will be located on the other one. So this is the first one that will be activated, and this is the most common one you might be using. So it means that you will align this text alignment to the shape that we just drawn here. So what you're now going to do is you now select, after you have selected the option that you want to align to, you can now select any of these buttons to choose the alignment option that you want. So this first one is to align the object to the left side of the other object we just selected. You can see now when I click on this one, so it aligns my text with the object. You can see that grid line showing that it has been aligned perfectly to the left side of the other object. So you can see the other option too. This is to align the text horizontally with the other shape that we just selected. So if I click on this, one, so it's aligned to the center horizontally. It's already at the center of it. You can see this one also to the left, it's aligned to the left. Then this other one aligns to the top, this other one align vertically. When you are looking at it from the horizontal perspective, it has been aligned like that, and we have another one aligned bottom. So whichever one you think fits your work at the instance of it, so it makes everything perfect and aligned in the direction you want it. So you have other option when you just want something to be at the center. You can just pick page edge. So this will align your objects within your specific page you are using. So now for instance, let me just click the page edge and let me choose align left. So the text or the object that you select will align perfectly to the left of your page. And you select center, it will align to the center of your page. We select this other one, it will align horizontally or vertically also to the left of your page. And these other options also work for this page. And if there is a specific point that you want your text to align to, so you can just come here, click on this specific point. Once you click on the specific point, you have to specify the value of the position you want your object to align to, instead of align to the object or align to the page. So you can just click on this specified point. So this one will activate this guide where you will have to go and click in the exact area you want your object to align to. So once you're done with positioning of the point, you can then click on these alignment options, so it will work perfectly and do whatever you ask it to do for you. So the next one is the distribute option. So this one will help you to be able to evenly arrange multiple objects horizontally or vertically. And we have different distribution options and different way it can be distributed. So this one is like selected object. The first one is for the selected object. You have two objects already selected, so you can select this alignment option to show how they relate with one another. Like this one now, let me add one more shape. Let's say circle. So if I select all the three shapes with an imaginary line, so let me align them evenly horizontally. So let me do this one. That's vertical, align center vertically. So now I want to distribute them. Distribute will make them to be arranged evenly, that the spacing and the position where they maintain will be evenly spaced as I want. Like this one now, if I distribute to the left, it means that they will all take their position from the leftmost object. So if I click on this one now, so they take their position towards the left. That you can see now from here to here is even with from here to here. So this other one is like position everything according to their center. So this other one is positioning everything to the rightmost object. Then we have this fourth option, which try to maintain evenly position between all the objects. Then we have this one is for the horizontal alignment, and this other one is for the vertical alignment. And we have other options here where the object can also distribute to. It can be distribute to page edges. So when you click, the object will space out themselves, as they are also aligned with their own attribute. They are also aligned with the page option that you have selected here. So that's how you work with align and distribute. There are so many ways you will need to apply this thing. As time goes on, I will show you the application. Thank you for watching. I hope you've learned something today. Again, please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.